Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Apps. This is where Android and many OEM skins centralize controls. Once done, locate the specific app you want to restrict. Don't guess. Make sure you have any login credentials ready if the app prompts later. If you're on iOS, head to Settings, then select the app list. By beginning here, you skip unnecessary menus and reach the app's data controls quickly so you can change background access with confidence. You'll now enter the app's data page and find background data or allow background activity. This is where the operating system controls whether the app can use mobile or Wi-Fi when not visible. Once you flip the switch off, the app stops syncing in the background, saving data and battery. Make sure to check both mobile data and Wi-Fi entries since some systems separate them. If available, enable a stricter restrict option to prevent any background transfers until you reopen the app. Finish by restarting the app, and if necessary the device, so the new background rules take effect. This prevents lingering connections. You should watch the app for missed notifications or stalled syncs and re-enable background access for critical apps like messaging or backup services. If the restriction seems ignored, clear the app cache, check for app or OS updates, and confirm any battery optimization settings aren't overriding your choice. These troubleshooting steps solve most issues without undoing your data savings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.